we should be happy even if you are aware for a short time. What psychologists say, what our enlightened masters say, that a normal, average person who does not do meditation, in whole life, in whole of their life of 80 years or 90 years, hardly they are aware for half an hour. 80 years. Hardly they are aware for half an hour. That's also when if they are walking in the garden and they step upon the snakes, they become aware. If they are driving the car and they are going to hit a truck, they become aware. No? So all those minutes, if counted, it will not be more than 30 minutes in 80 years life, no? Of awareness. And that awareness is also blind awareness. Within another minute, again mind will take over and their awareness will be lost. So, if you are aware, say, few times, that you are unaware, it is a big achievement. No? You are aware that you are unaware. How many people are aware that they are unaware in this world? So in between, when you remember that you are unaware, no, that's a big achievement. So my suggestion to my friend is, when you take shower, remember that at least 2 minutes in shower I will be aware. I will enjoy the water falling on my head, no, cool water or hot water, no, what according to season, and just enjoy the water. And for 2 minutes, just drop everything from your mind. Just enjoy the shower, water, no? Your shower. When you are eating, sipping a cup of tea, no? Just meditatively sip a cup of tea. I know the thought will come before you finish your cup of tea. But even if half of the cup of tea, if you drink awarely, totally, it is a big achievement. No? So make a small meditation. In Japan, tea meditation is very popular in Zen monastery. I also find I love to drink tea alone. When we drink tea in a gathering and we talk, I don't enjoy tea. No? So whenever I just have one cup of tea in the evening, but I do it very meditatively, and I want to sit alone. Nobody near me. If anybody is there, my attention is diverted. I can't enjoy the tea. And my tea becomes a meditation, a very beautiful meditation. So, small slots of awareness, try to introduce in your life. It is impossible at the moment that we will be aware for 24 hours. No, that will happen. Devdarshanji, that will happen one day, and that day we will celebrate your enlightenment day. But wait, don't hurry for that day. It will come. It will sure come then when we will be aware in all our action. But at least these small acts, no? The another beautiful act is sex, no? Love making. If you go meditatively in love making, making a meditation, no? With awareness and with patience, and with very slowly, no, as Tantra says, very slow and very meditatively, then that is a beautiful thing. That can become a meditation. So add a small slot of meditation, eating, sipping a cup of tea, taking shower, or walking on the garden. No? Even if you have 10 slots of awareness for 5 minutes, I will consider a big achievement, very big achievement. Because 10 slots of 5 minutes means 50 minutes you are aware. When normal people become aware only 30 minutes in their whole life, 80 years of life. If you are aware 50 minutes, you are Superman. No? Devdarshan is a Superman. So add a small slots of awareness. Don't expect that we will be aware for all the time. It is too much to expect from poor Devdarshan. Don't expect too high. No? Just give pat yourself. If you are aware, if you have sipped a cup of tea with total awareness, thank yourself. No? And thank your wife who has prepared tea for you. No? So be happy on a small slots of awareness, be happy, then it will become longer and longer. The awareness, the greatest danger in awareness is ambition. And mind cannot live without ambition. No? Mind always wants more. The more ambitious a mind, more unaware it will become. No? So also look at your ambition, the mind, no quality. The mind nature is always run for more, or always run for more. So watch your mind, make it a meditation, and I will again request you to all my friends, even a small slots of awareness, 5 minutes of awareness, 10 times a day. If you do it, I will thank you very much for your achievement. No, that's a big achievement. And that will give you a test. No? If you test a cup of tea with total awareness, next time you will not enjoy your tea in a group. No? When you're talking and gossiping and you don't know what you have eaten and what. No, you will look for a small. I always look for a private corner when tea is served to me, because I know the beauty of it. A cup of tea can give you more satisfaction than $1 million in your bank account. No? So a small sort of awareness, be happy with it, be contented with it, then it will increase, and always check your ambition. No? The ambition makes us unaware. Sometimes, no, it's all the time. Mind means ambition. Mind means always thinking for more pleasure, more meditation, bigger meditation hall. We are victim of that, no? In Tapovan, we are victim of that. A bigger meditation hall, more rooms for the guests, better kitchen. It is all trick of mind, no? It has changed the only color, but the same mind which wants more. No? The language of mind is more. Be happy with what God has given you, and whatever we deserve, it will come to you.